Oh, TBS, welcome to your CEO, Mercedes Monet. The belt collector. Ha ha. It's main man ALF, C Forbes. We are out here at the top of Raging River, popping tops.
Popping tops.
I almost didn't do me arm and the elbow pads. Would you look at that? We are riding solo without our third compatriot today. She is taking an Animal Crossing day because who can blame her? It's Animal Crossing. We all love Animal Crossing. Yeah, we're just out here just having a good time, just keeping the rubber sled down, get a little steezy, you know. Oh, you know what? We gotta. There's that knockoff Surge that we like to get anyways. So at the casino around the corner.
Oh, yeah, the Fade Berry. Sorry, guys. Okay, yours.
Oh man, I got up here. Kind of a rush, huh? All right, let's, yeah. Oh! Actually just hit that rock in my arm. Oh, that's a stinger. Oh boy, that's a... Did not have clipping my arm on the rock on my bingo card today, gang. Nice little arm pump rest. And back in it, boys. Rumpa chunk chunk. fucking grips, boys.
Yeah, there's shafts. Yeah. Last time I was here, you like couldn't pull. No. Now you have to. Yeah. Yep.
Oh, it's brake berms, boys. God.
It's our fault. Look at these things.
Yeah.
What about job? Are you just laughing? We did the whole fucking thing. Doing it for a while.
Very pretty. Yeah. All right, we got these toy cars. Let's race them. Conditions are awkward. It's just me being stupid. All right, so you know what? I have to revisit this right foot situation. It's right, a little steez. He put it, had you know, where there's like that little
sideways?
That little double section, right? Where there's that little root and then it kind of
tilt it down, out a little more.
Man, the dust and the berms in this are gnarly today. Last time we were out here, we had some hero dirt. Didn't work. There we go. Still getting a little bit of a groove back. Come on. Post-game interview, what are we thinking?
I think we absolutely ripped it. I love being able to get back out here with some frequency to just get some more familiar with the trails, be able to jib a little bit more, find the side hits and the fun stuff, especially on Flow State, because Flow State is, I find that Poppin' Tops is my preferred half of the Poppin' Tops Flow State.
I think I got a little bit with the wanting to ride a little extra.
It'll be, oh, well, I'll have to see it in footage because I didn't see it.
Oh no, it wasn't anything crazy. It was just one of those, just a woo woo woo. Like, I think I got to double check and make sure all my pins are all the way out again too. But
Okay.
yeah, it's neither here nor there. Honestly, I think I'm gonna go through and take all the risers out.
Oh, and let them be even sit even taller.
Yeah, that's a. But yeah, all right.
Good ride.
Good ride.
Miss you.